Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Gonna give you guys a little bit of a quick update. Car is still apart. Tail lamps are still out to get painted still. All the PPF is pretty much done, just up the bumpers. Got a little bit more time to work on it now because things are a little slower. We started doing little added touches to the GTR while the bumper is all apart and off the vehicle. Had the grille, the emblems off. Just added a little bit of red accents on it. Kind of just sitting here thinking about it, started doing stuff, but yeah, what better way, I guess, to do a little short and sweet video on how to wrap GTR door handles. Kind of a do-it-yourself video, so I figured I'd just share with you guys. All you need is basically a blue tool wrapped to a hard card with some felt on it so that it glides a little better. Some masking tape, one of these tools, it looks like a pick, just to get around the edges a little easier. If you don't have one of these, you can just get the tool going inside there. Of course, an X-Acto knife, so you can do the final trim. The film that I'm using today is Oracle translucent see-through red, so that the aluminum will show through and it looks like it's chrome red. So I think that'll look kind of cool. So first off, we're gonna basically tape off around all the areas that we don't want to get damaged during trimming, and on top of that, it'll give it a little bit more of a slip when the film gets wrapped into the corners. So we're gonna do that right now. So that's all in there. So I'm gonna start off by removing the old wrap here. You see how I did it before, where if you don't do it properly, you see all the little fingers. That's just the film not properly laid down, and it starts to finger everywhere, and ultimately it will fail. There you go. All the other stuff's there. It's all removed. Make sure you get all the glue and old adhesive off. Normally you would use some adhesive remover, remove all the old glue, make sure it's all gone. But yeah, that's the original color. Like a brushed aluminum. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. I don't know, maybe racy. But we'll go with it. So normally most people would probably tack it from here. I think that's what I did last time, and then that was the big mistake, and that's why you see all those fingers. So we're gonna tack it this way, and I had a little better success. So I'm gonna tack it in there. Make sure you hook it. Gonna warm it up. this special tool to. So I found that if you overstretch it like this, then wrap it. If you wrap it like that, and then really let this release, and then when you heat it up, you see how it hugs? And that's how you eliminate those fingers. A lot of these wrap guys won't even tell you that. You know, they want to just keep the secret to yourself, to themselves. But once you, if you, I don't know if the camera catches it, but when you see, oh, there you go. See how it shrinks in? Because I overstretched it, and then I laid it, and then you heat, because the film has some memory, and when you heat it, it goes back to its original shape, and it hugs the, and then you're gonna do your final trim. And double check everything. And warm it up to post heating. So just get rid of all the memory of the film. And look. You're done. You're gonna remove all the masking tape. Glue left on it. There you go, guys. That's pretty good. So what I did was I hooked it, warmed it up, pulling, stretched this way, flatten it all out here, overstretched it here, heat it up, overstretched it, pull this way, tug it back this way, give it a bit of heat, it will shrink back in, and then you get that nice look. All right, guys, so I'm pretty much finished. I'm just gonna give you a closer look of the end product, finished job. I'll give you a closer look, guys. So here are all the edges. If you notice, they're all laid flat. A lot of guys' mistakes are usually on the corners here. They try to force it all down, and then they'll fail when it comes to hot weather. What do you guys think? You know, the red, cheesy, yay or nay? I don't know. It's kind of grow on me right now. At first, when I originally started, when I did it, it looked a little off because it just popped out way too much compared to the rest of the black. And now it's starting to grow on me, you know. Everything's starting to come together. It by itself, I don't think I would just leave it. But because, you know, with all the little red accents here in the engine bay, underneath the car. Comment below. Give me a thumbs up, you guys. Or a thumbs down. More than happy with anything. You guys like the red door handles or not? Again, guys, thank you for supporting me and supporting my channel. I'm gonna keep putting out the content for you guys. Hopefully you guys like it. Please do smash that subscribe button, and see you guys in the next vlog. See you guys then.